Alright, another weekend is here. December 14th, 2024. CN He's here at 12:41. I'm coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin on the Canadian Nationals Superior Submarine Mount Post 354.39 with the video lined up for you. Southbound Q train on the way with a Gevo to lead it. Let's check him out on the roll-by. And so we'll head inbound to Markham Yard in Hazelcrest, Illinois. Let's lean back and get him. Here we go. Sequence there. Coming up, the Hot 198, GECX rebuilt, new one. It's the new 3371. Fairview Yard. Head to Markham Yard, Canadian National 677 000. And the train device is going. How about that? What a catch that was, too. Take that. So that is going to do it for the Q198, 51 of the 8th. We'll do it for the 3152 and my next C6M rebuild of the 3371. That was previously a GECX nee-BNSF variant. How about that? And that's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin's north side. So we get another weekend. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great weekend. I'll see you next time. Have a great afternoon, too. I hope I'll see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.